lovely kids! Today we are going to draw a shiny diamond. Let's start step by step. First, draw a straight line. Now draw a small line above it. Join the ends of both lines. This is the bottom part of our diamond. Next, draw two slanting lines going down and make a sharp point at the bottom. Now on the top, draw three triangles, one in the middle and one on each side. Then draw some lines inside the diamond like a cut glass pattern. Now trace all the lines with a black marker to make them bold. Wow! The drawing looks so nice now. Now let's color it together. Light blue color. First, fill the top part of the diamond with light blue. Just follow me and color like I do. Now fill the side parts at the bottom with light blue too. Color. Now use the dark blue to fill the other empty spaces.
I dropped it, a little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love and on the
Kids, amazing job! Our shiny diamond drawing is all done.